black man of the Nile and his family.
All the lies you've been told, baby, let me set you straight. What we did back then was great. You just don't know. Let me show you the past so your future can look bright. Let you walk into the light. Let me see yourself. I've heard them say that we wasn't even there. Baby, let me make it clear. We were the ones. If you pay attention to what I'm about to show, there's no doubt that you will know. We were the ones. I'ma show you that the time we was, that she was black because that's the way that the white man. I'ma show you Egypt was a black man.
Of the Oga Rubensky.
Bang, bang, bang.
You are very too much. I say you are very too much.
Go.
Oga Rubensky.
Yeah, brother.
What is wrong with African pastors, man? Waiting they worry these people.
You know, brother, you say one thing for those pastors. Huh? The Bible don't become business. I'm robber. The Quran don't become business. I'm robber. The pastors, all those people, they call themselves pastor from Nigeria, native. The Bible, they don't know the Bible. They read Bible, they read Quran. They just read one passage of the Bible. People don't come now. Miracle, which miracle you are telling me? Make una no go church or Sunday, no go church. Hear me. Now rule be this one. Now me, the High Selassie. Now Ruben the talk. I fear no one. If you be pastor, you go tell me where God they stay, a telephone number, you go give am to me, email, you go give am to me. You will say you be pastor, you will say you be imam, you will say you be Muslim man, I dey come. You go tell me question when I go ask you, fight no dey, no fight, we no dey fight. Then we be win-win. Say I'm na black man, I be black man, pastor, reverend, bishop, I need down, I beg, I beg una, I beg, pastor, I beg you, bishop, I beg. I born from that place. The man, when they tell you where born me, is they alive. Mama, they alive. I beg una. I beg, if you be pastor, if you don't know the Bible, go down. I beg, you don't know Bible, you don't know Quran. Why you they won't deceive human being now? You go deceive my brother, go put money for offering for you. You go come build your own church. My papa go, they carry me, I go come me down, they pray every morning. Sunday go reach one, carry me, I go give you money. Go buy jet. Go build one thing. You know where history start from. So you as a pastor, you know as you don't old rich as father. My mama, una never feel find waiting to happen for church matter. I beg now. I need down, I beg. I beg una. Make una find na history, make una find. I said people come that place now. Na me be Jesus. The Jesus man, what did they tell me? Na me now. You know they hear the name? Jesus of Nazareth. Area make una no fool me now. Area make una no dey fool me now. Now we now. Let's make you drink shinap now, drink okogoro, drink shekbe. Monkey tea now, drink am now. Pobigbo. Igbo na wisdom now. Why you don't want to learn something? You say, pastor, why you dey use something they deceive my brothers then? You know read the Bible very well. Read your Bible, read your Quran. How the people, you know, go ask how those things happen for this planet. Who created them? Where the world start from now? You say you be pastor. Teach the children better thing now. No deceive people, they go carry money they can't give you every day for church. I beg, pastor. If you don't know, come and they come. And maybe Jesus. Go find my name. It did for my body. You see my hair? They tell you, see that man, Jesus Christ. You see this one? Now original hair. That cap where they wear am. Tell you say na shuku na lie. Na me. Na Sam, the High Selassie. I send people come for that place, come tell you now. They come find history for their be. Na me tell them that word where they carry come there. Na rume. Ogene rume. Omorovie. I beg. Timaya don't tell you now. I go do am jejeje. I go do am jejeje. Hear am very well. Unandi kalu tell you now. I beg you now. I dey come. Fight no day. Africans, I dey come. I go do am the way it's supposed to be. The war. Now we dey run am. Fight no day. Quarrel no day. Gun no day. I know they kill human being. If na talk, come one-on-one talk. I go talk with you. I go ask you question. You go find out. You go come, we go. I go show you wetin you never see. You will be pastor, bishop, reverend. Get ready, you be imam. You be Quran master. You go come back. I dey. No forget, my father mentioned one word. Don't lay allegation for something where you know for somebody. If you do am, you go die. You don't curse the land. You say, my papa say, I bless the land. Nobody curse the land. He say, I bless the land with honey. Read your Bible very well. Read your Quran. He say, love one another. Help your brother. Help your sister with the wisdom now. Wisdom now. Go find out the thing where you preach for somebody. Where it come from now? Now somebody write them now. The Bible with the Quran. Now somebody write them for now. Now they kill myself. Why? I beg, Papa, Mama, them. I beg. The Bible, Pastor, I beg everybody. I beg. I born from that place. I beg. If you don't know something, I beg. If you see somebody where you know pass you, Pastor, learn. Small picking go teach you something. Nothing say your age. Now be the highest. No be age. Age no day for this one. Now waiting day for the picking brain. Waiting you don't go see. Now na send me go school. Or na born me send me go school. So I go bring that thing when you no know. I go bring her come back. The Maya make sure people name when they follow and move. No be joke. Peace Square day. Boys them day. Area. Now who no road? Now they follow. I beg you now. One love. One time I bless you.
That's all.